101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Welcome back to Smart Up Your Life. And this is our last section about discussing the feeling blue. And before we move to the last section, maybe all of you guys can conclude all of the discussion for today. And I will start from Kabrian. Okay, Kabrian, after discussing this topic, what is the conclusion that you can get?
Okay, the conclusion that I may conclude is feeling blue is a normal, it's a normal thing.
Okay.
If we get feeling blue, don't how to say don't feel it deeply.
Okay.
Don't feel it deeply. Just find the solution. And entertain yourself as you can. And yeah, if you want to talk to your friend, just go ahead. But, maybe if you talk with your friend, your problem can be solved. And yeah, the main solution of your feeling blue is yourself, because that feeling you make that feeling, so you can solve it yourself. You can choose what do you want to do to decrease that feeling.
Okay, thank you very much, Kabran. Okay, Ayu, what is the conclusion that you can get after discussing this topic?
The conclusion that I can say here about our topic tonight is that feeling blue is when we feel sad regarding something, and also we cannot avoid feeling blue, but we can manage the feeling blue itself. So I agree that we cannot avoid, of course, but we can manage it. It depends on ourselves. And also maybe I want to say to all of the learners here is that be kind to yourself, because the number one that yourself need is you. So that's why I say that be kind to yourself. You don't need to praise yourself too much.
Okay, thank you very much, Ayu.
Yes.
So remember that, smart listener, be kind to yourself. Okay, Kanahwi, what about you?
I would represent my conclusion into some quotes. So life is never flat, guys. So sometimes we faced some bittersweet of our life. Sometimes we feel happy, sometimes we feel sad. But the most important thing about feeling blue or got problems in your life is that it's not always like giving you problems, but I'm totally certain that by feeling blue or getting like a hard journey in your life, it will improve yourself. It will improve your character and strengthen yourself facing any kind of problems later on in the future. So I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. And last, Ihsan, what about you? What is the conclusion that you can give after discussing this?
Okay, feeling blue is a human being's emotion when he or they suffer something bad. But life has colorful. Colorful means it has something bad and something happy. So don't worry, guys, when you under praise or nervous or feeling blue, just trust that big waves should be gone away. And after sadness, there must be happiness.
Okay.
Yeah. Feeling blue. After feeling blue, someone will suffer a tickle pink.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, now I hope you can give a word, I mean a new word to the smart listeners, so then that can help them to get new vocabularies. Okay, perhaps start from Ayu.
Maybe from me, it's about disappointed.
Disappointed.
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Feel disappointed. Feel disappointed.
The
to
Indonesian.
someone.
I mean the Indonesian.
Oh, in Indonesia, kecewa.
Oh, kecewa.
Yes.
Okay, Karian, new word that you can give to smart listener.
Maybe sadness.
Okay.
Sadness is kesedihan.
Okay, kesedihan.
Yeah.
Okay, Kanahi.
Probably an idiom. Every cloud has a silver lining, meaning that semua masalah pasti ada solusinya.
Oh.
Yeah, every cloud has a silver lining.
Okay, thank you very much. And the last Kaisan.
Okay.
New
Okay.
words or idioms.
Idioms, tickle-pink as an antonym of feeling blue.
Okay.
And suffer or mengalami, and it has a synonym one like undergo.
Okay.
Itu juga mengalami, sama artinya. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much, guys, for your participation in this discussion section about feeling blue, and thank you for your smart listener for listening and watching our conversation for tonight. And I would say that feeling blue or sadness is a normal thing, and remember, behind the sadness is always happiness. Okay, thank you very much. We'll back in the next Tuesday night, so stay tuned or on our discussion section in the next meeting. Okay, thank you very much and bye bye.